So I have here chopped up some chicken. I'm gonna add a good amount of hot sauce. We actually got this hot sauce from our friend when we were visiting New Orleans. It's a Louisiana hot sauce. We're gonna douse it and it'll marinate nicely. Add some oregano, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and lastly, black pepper. And I'll give this a good mix. And we're gonna let it marinate at least overnight or the whole day. Make sure you get all the seasonings mixed in and massage it all inside. Okay, that's it. We'll let it marinate overnight or a day. Okay, now we're going to create our batter. We're gonna add cornstarch, maybe a little bit more, paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of chicken stock MSG, a little bit of salt. Our chicken is already marinated salt, so we don't want to add too much. And then we'll add some pepper. Give it a nice whisk. Now we're going to add our marinated chicken into the batter. Make sure to get a good coating, and then we're going to fry it. I like using cornstarch more because I don't like having a thick batter, and I like a thin batter, but it's a personal preference. You know, use whatever you want to use. So make sure you remove any excess amount of cornstarch so it doesn't cake. Drop that in. Our oil is nice and hot at 375 degrees, and we're going to fry this until golden brown. Okay, we're gonna make some home potato fries. So cut these into tiny wedges. And we're gonna put these in the air fryer. We're gonna season it, just something basic, not too salty. I technically eat these blemishes, but I personally don't. Olive oil, a little bit of seasoning salt, paprika, a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to give these a nice toss. And we're going to put these in the air fryer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Potatoes in, mix it up nicely so it cooks evenly. And then we're going to turn it on. We're going to bake it for 20 minutes. Water's nice and boiling. We're going to add our green beans. I personally prefer my vegetables blanched or raw on the blander side. I like the fresh and rawness of all veggies.